Hello and welcome back to another XeroLinux video. Before we start, please hit the like button to help me through the algorithm. With that out of the way, let's begin with today's subject. We're going to be talking about how to use the ArchInstall script. First, you need to go to the archlinux.org website, click on the download button, which will take you to this page, and you either download it via torrent or you can download it from any of the existing mirrors according to your country. I usually use the German mirror because it's the fastest for me. And as we all know, Arch releases an ISO at the beginning of every month. So the latest ISO is the 1st of September 2025. I went ahead and downloaded it and booted it in a VM, and we're gonna get right to it. Let's go. When you boot the ISO, you'll be welcomed with this, as usual. We all know that. So we're gonna boot it. Now that we are here, I hope the font is big enough for you guys because I don't know how to increase it here. If we run ArchInstall, I don't know why it's out of date on this ISO, but it's gonna tell you that it's outdated. See, 3.0.9-1, the latest version is 3.0.10. So we abort, and what do? We do, since we are booted as root, we do pacman-syy arch install, which will update the databases and grab the latest version of Arch. The reason I'm remaking this video is because ArchInstall has changed lately. A lot of things have changed. So we hit enter, we update it, and then we type ArchInstall --advanced. I like to use the advanced flag because it uncovers a lot of hidden options. Okay, so language, English. Locales, English. You know what? I'm going to go with the German mirrors. Regions. And to search, you type the / key on your keyboard. So / Germany. And then you hit enter. There's a new option called add custom repository. I love that option. Let's see how it works. You hit enter, add a custom repository names. So let's say we want to add the XeroLinux repository. We hit enter, URL, https repos.xerolinux.xyz /repo $arch. All right, so select signature, optional, trust all, confirm, and exit. And optional repositories, I would highly recommend you do this. Optional repositories, multilib, enable it. Now go back. Now we have multilib and XeroLinux repositories enabled. Awesome, ain't it? Thank you, ArchInstall developers. This is a wonderful addition. This configuration, partitioning since it's a VM, views best effort, virt.io, I use XFS. I don't like to use a separate partition for home. Go back, swap, enabled, I say no, disable it. This VM has like 16 gigs of RAM. Bootloader, I don't like system B boot. I like grub. Hostname, let's say XeroLinux. Okay, authentication. This is where we create our root password, user account, add user 0, password. Yes, confirm and exit. This is the same as always. Profile. The ArchInstall developers don't like to pay too much attention to this section, especially the desktop environments and the window managers. They do them as little as possible to give you a usable, in air quotes, system. As long as it boots and it works, it's okay, right? But they don't add other necessary stuff. Sometimes you don't get a terminal. You don't get stuff that are required for you to start working. You'll have to do everything yourself. They rely on you to select the custom packages here during the install. Let's go to profile, type, let's say desktop. You go to awesome. It tells you what it includes. See, it includes the bare minimum. BSBWM, bare minimum. Budgie, bare minimum. I don't like that because sometimes you need something out of the box to get up and running correctly, like to start working, start configuring the thing, but you don't have it. So they rely on you. Look at KDE Plasma, my favorite desktop environment of all. It gives you Arc, Dolphin, Kate, Console, Plasma Meta, and Plasma Workspace. Those are meta packages that install the minimum amount of stuff. At least they thought of adding console, because those two meta packages don't include console, the terminal. If they didn't add it, I would have ended up with the desktop environment with no terminal to install anything. So be careful when you choose something here. So I'm not going to install anything. I'm going to go back. If you don't select anything, it will default to the minimal profile, which is Arch with no desktop environment or window manager. That's how I like it. I will install everything later myself. I prefer that because I choose what I want. So when you go to applications, you have the option to enable Bluetooth, but I disable it because I'm in a VM. Audio, Pipewire, of course, back. Kernels, Linux, of course, the default Arch Linux. You can select hardened LTS or Zen, up to you. But keep in mind that it will install just the Linux package, not the headers. Network configuration, I just select use network manager. Parallel downloads, since I use the -- advanced, now this setting is exposed. So I set it to 6. Additional packages, this is the interesting part. People keep complaining that, oh, how do you search? How do you find packages? / people, / like we did earlier. So we go / I want to select Git. You hit enter, you go in again. That part I don't like. That you have to select the package, go back, back and forth until you have all the packages selected. I don't like it. If you're watching this, ArchInstall developers, please make it so we don't have to go back and forth. So I want to search for wget. I'll hit that / Linux. You select Linux API headers, and then you hit / Linux - headers, and you hit enter. Nano. Okay, CURL, enter. Now we have everything that we need to get up and running, no issues. Okay, and time zone, you are here. You just type / and your area. And then automatic time is enabled. And now we hit install. It will go ahead and install. I'll be right back once it's done. All right, it's done. It didn't take too long. It took like 5 minutes. When you get prompted for this, we exit ArchInstall. Now it's syncing the system. And now we say reboot. All right, now that we are rebooted, we are on the grub menu. We have Arch Linux. We got advanced options and EFI, whatever. All right, we hit enter, and now it's going to prompt us for our user and password. So the user was Xero and the password. And that's where you start installing whatever you want, like Plasma. You select the packages you want, you select whatever. I have created a bunch of installer scripts. I'm not going to go through them here. I already made a video about that I'm going to link to either in the description or at the end of this video via the card. But that's it. You're up and running, and now you start installing the desktop environment or window manager you want, and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope to see you on the next one. I go live every Saturday at 9:30 p.m. Asia Beirut time. So, all right. Don't forget to comment and like the video. And if you want to support the project financially, you got links in the description below. You got LiberaPay, you got Fundraiser, and you got Ko-Fi. Whichever you want to donate to, feel free. And I'll see you on the live stream on Saturday. Take care, guys, and God bless you.